It wasn't trivial. This only exists on the GPU side. We're inside of top-level variables. We do need this, however, on the CPU side. This is the address of DP2K in the shader. Monkey wrench macros in the illegal stuff section. This is the shader slot we're going to sample from. It's a constant. We're not going to change it. The precision of sampler 2D and float, shorthand for sampler and texel fetch. The sampler is right here, and the result of sampling is this variable here. This is a whole bunch of shit, and this is what we got rid of because we have this stuff now. But these two things are just monkey wrench macros. This is the texture we're creating on the CPU side, the texture object, the texture handle. Here is a combo breaker. We're inside of uniform put, and this is the texture slot. And we're going to take the address of DP2K on the GPU side and wire it up to this texture slot. Here's where we're getting the address of the texture slot, or not the texture slot, but the sampler. And the sampler needs to be wired to the texture slot. That's where I screwed it there. So here's the location of this on the GPU. We're inside of render pipeline load now. And then if we go further down here, here's where we create the texture handle on the CPU side at the bottom of ArtGirl INI. Then down here is what we did previously. We fixed a footnote. We have some more footnotes. And then finally, what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist. More detail is in this playlist. This has been video 173. Like and subscribe.